Meet David Cyber.
What?
David is 21 years old and a junior at Thomas J. Whitmore State College. This week, David is assembling an application for a highly competitive summer internship. As David is putting together his application, he realizes that his account on the popular social media platform TMI looks unprofessional in some places. For example, his stated personal philosophy endorses a party-hard lifestyle. Moreover, he has posted numerous pictures of himself overindulging with alcoholic beverages. In some pictures, he is wearing t-shirts with profane slogans and images on them that some people may find offensive. And in general, his profile portrays him as something of a party animal. Now meet Nina. Nina is the human resources professional in charge of hiring for the internship that David is hoping to get. Nina plans to Google each applicant. If her Google search brings up unsavory results, she might just slide that applicant's resume into the recycle bin. David knows that employers sometimes Google job applicants, and he decides that he doesn't want his TMI profile to come up when people Google his name. So he ratchets up his TMI privacy and security settings as high as they will go. Now meet Posting Paula. Posting Paula is one of David's associates on TMI. Unbeknownst to David, Posting Paula has a habit of copy-pasting David's pictures onto her TMI profile. So when Nina Googles David, she finds dozens of his pictures via Posting Paula's TMI page. Fair or not, Nina just does not like what she sees, and so she slides David's application materials into the recycle bin. That's a tough break, David. Better luck next summer.